Oh, it's quiet. Did Mommy give you her hiccups?
Issa's laughing at Mommy's hiccups. Now Issa's got the hiccups. Is that is that funny, Miss Thing? Now you got the hiccups. You goofy ladies. Alright. Time to eat, Miss Thing. Good night. Good night, sweet girl.